Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have something from Xiaomi. This is a Redmi Note 8 Pro. So Redmi and Xiaomi, are they the same? Let's find out. So just to clarify, this is a Redmi Note 8 Pro. So Redmi is a subsidiary company of Xiaomi that produces the budget and mid-range smartphones, while Xiaomi produces some cheap but also flagship smartphones. They both use the MIUI interface. So this one is Redmi Note 8 Pro, kind of a mid-range smartphone. And as you can see, you can remove the back cover and get access to the motherboard and the battery and the internal parts of the device. So this one is gonna need a new screen. So David here is gonna remove the shroud for the motherboard and then detach the battery and the screen. So right here, we're gonna pop off some connectors and carefully lift them out. So you can't skip this step because it's gonna ruin the connector for the camera. So you can also see that we are gonna test the replacement display. So this is the replacement display, and we're gonna try to turn on the smartphone, see if it works. And so you see that Redmi is booting up MIUI, and then David is gonna change the tag for the video. So it's now working. It's letting us use the touchscreen in the camera, and we can also shut it down properly, so no problem with that. And now we are gonna remove the display. So this is kind of an easier repair because of the adhesives is not that strong, and you can see here that even the battery is kind of a easy lift from the adhesives underneath it. So this is just 2 strips of adhesives, and we're gonna snip it out to fully extract the battery, although we're gonna reuse some of these adhesives later on. We're gonna remove the screen now, and there's a gasket, rubber gasket on top of the device to offset the camera, so we're gonna reuse that one. And we're gonna start by cleaning the sides so that we can put fresh liquid glue on it, so when we attach the display, it can stick and get flushed into the frame. So right now we're gonna install the rubber gasket that we have removed from the old display, and then install the replacement screen. So right here, we're gonna take our time just to make sure that the camera is clean and of course the screen is aligned. And then we're gonna put on the shroud for the motherboard and attach the connector for the camera system, and then screw that in. So if you have a Redmi smartphone that needs a screen replacement, you can head on to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We fix a lot of stuff here. We can fix your cheapest smartphone and of course your flagship devices. And this one is fixed. I think we are now ready to give this to the client. And the final step, the back cover. So I hope you enjoyed this repair video, guys. See you next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.